Hi, I'm Rich Bucheri from Poynter Bucheri, and today I want to talk about a situation where your car is totaled and the amount of money that the insurance company is offering you is less than the amount of money that you owe on the car. So unfortunately, this is a circumstance that often happens because when you buy a car, unless you put a substantial amount of money down or you pay cash for it, ultimately, when you drive off the lot, you're already upside down on the car, meaning that the car is worth less than the amount of money that it takes off to buy the loan for the car. And so when you're in that situation and then you get hit by a third party, unfortunately, the way the law works is they don't pay you what you owe on your vehicle. They only pay you what the current Kelley Blue Book of the car value is. And so many times, I find clients that when they're trying to deal with a total car in their property damage situation are facing a deficit because they aren't going to be able to get enough money to pay off the bank in order to satisfy that loan. And that puts them in a more difficult situation because either then they're not able to get a new car because they have this other old loan that they still have to pay off, or they have to roll that deficit value into a new car and into a new loan, and they're basically doubly going to be at a deficit on the next car. And so that's just a very unfortunate situation. So what you want to make sure that you do is that when you're negotiating the compensation for the property damage or for the total of your car, that you let them know everything that there is to maximize the value of that vehicle. So the number that they're using is probably just a standard number for the basic moderate condition of a good condition of a car. If you think that your condition is much better than that, then you need to let them know. If you made some type of things to the car, make some type of adjustments to the car, make some kind of additions to the car that made the car more valuable, you definitely need to let them know that too. Also, if there was any other property that was damaged in the car, your cell phone, car seats, things like that, then you need to make sure that you include those in the claim so that you're getting maximum value of the car. If you simply don't agree with how much they are offering offering you for your car, you can also make that a part of your lawsuit when you pursue the bodily injury portion of your case. And you just need to let your attorney know, hey, we have not resolved the property damage on this. Unfortunately, sometimes people can't get along without a car, and so they just kind of are coerced into settling for a lesser amount that they want to take. But if you are able to kind of hold out, then you can include that part of the claim with your bodily injury portion if you end up filing suit on it, and maybe the insurance company will come to its senses a little bit later on. But the other thing I would just say is this is all the more reason too to make sure that you're properly compensated on your bodily injury claim. You don't want to shortchange yourself on that, because sometimes you'll have to use the proceeds of your bodily injury claim to pay off the remainder of your property damage. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at Poynter Bucheri. Thank you.